Hey, it's me, Jacqueline Mukarchan. I'm here today to talk to you all about several assignments that I had to do during this quarter. The class that I was taking is English 101. Let's begin. Here is one of my favorite authors, Bell Hooks. We had this assignment where we had to summarize our understanding of Seeing and Making Culture Representing the Poor by Bell Hooks. The reason why I said that this had to be one of my favorite readings is because the words that she used to explain the story of quote-unquote black intellectuals and them having the realization of people. She talks to us about a number of groups, and here they are. The poor, who had no basic necessities, the working folks, the rich. The reason why I was so indulged in this reading was because she talked about a certain person who basically barely made it off with the money that his dad was making through college and the holidays, and it really helped me understand the reason poverty right now is so important to understand. Now, I'd like to talk to you all about another essay I wrote, which had to do with social and historical forces that I have realized from Frederick Douglass and Malcolm X. It's called The World and Its Forces. I'd like to tell you all about a quote that I read from Frederick Douglass from Learning to Read and Write. She had bread for the hungry, clothes for the naked. Keep that in mind. Slavery soon proved its ability to divest of these heavenly qualities. The reason why I chose this quote in this specific essay is because this woman that Frederick Douglass had a relationship with was extremely kind, extremely sweet, and then she became evil because of her husband. So here, on the left, we have Frederick Douglass, and on the right, we have Malcolm X. Prison affected Malcolm's writing journey because of how many words he discovered by using the dictionary in prison. The reason why I chose to write the sentence and explain why it is historical is because prison has been around for years and years. And what he did was learn. He didn't go back to crime. He didn't think about crime. What he did was learn. So, here is a part of my Article 5. It is the cover letter, quote unquote, that I chose to write to my grandmother. The reason why I chose to write to my grandmother is because she is the person that always has my back, no matter what it is, no matter what I go through. She's always there to put a smile on my face. So as you guys can see here, I really explained how I could not do anything without her and that she has been a great help. Now, in this part of the PowerPoint, I talked about how I learned things from her and how I grew even stronger from her. Another reason why I included this into my presentation is because I wanted to show you guys how much I appreciate her and how she has influenced me this much that I end up writing about her for my English 101 class. Now, I'd like to conclude with talking about the growth and fixed mindset, also including plagiarism, reading responses, bumper stickers, our custom license plate assignment, the golden line assignment, and your career assignment. So, I watched a video about growth mindset and fixed mindset. I also read a couple articles about that. As you can see here, the growth mindset says, I can try a different strategy. Is that really my best work? This may take some time and effort. And then you also see fixed mindset. I can't do this. This work is not good enough. This work is good enough, my apologies. And oh, this is too hard. The reason why I included this into my presentation is because of how interested I was in understanding the fixed mindset. See, I have a growth mindset. I always think of ways to better myself. The reason why I didn't understand the fixed mindset as much is because I do not look down on myself anymore, thanks to my grandma, which I talked about in Article 5. Now, to end things off, I listed a couple of assignments here not from favorite to least favorite, but the assignments that really caught my attention. The first one was plagiarism. I said this because I have learned about plagiarism and what it is and how we can stop it throughout my entire high school years. And I believe that learning more about plagiarism in college is amazing, especially when it comes to an English 101 class. I wanted to talk about reading responses because every single response that we had to do during this English class not only helped me grow, but helped me understand the opinions of everybody else in this class. The reason I included the custom license plate and the bumper sticker is because this was something very different. It was an assignment that I've never done before, actually, and I thought it was pretty cool because, we got to know each other more. Now, the Golden Line assignment and the Your Career assignments were another one of my favorites. And I'd like to end off by saying the reason why I liked the Golden Line assignment is because I got to choose a quote that not only caught my eye, but a quote that I can learn more from. Now, the Your Career assignment really caught my eye because I was able to talk about my profession or my preferred profession and what I want to do in the future. So there you have it. This is my final presentation. I wish everybody here a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope all of you stay safe. Thank you.